Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Shiba Inu token. My friends, this video is very important, very special for all Shiba Inu holders because my friends, in this video I'm talking about the interesting questions of all holders of the Shiba Inu, my friends. My friends, the holders ask me question that what will be the price of the Shiba Inu in 2030. So let me show you the price of the Shiba Inu in 2030. But before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for subscribing our channel. My friends, the currently latest price of the Shiba Inu in the market is 0.00006 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Shiba Inu. And furthermore, my friends, if you talk about the changes of the Shiba Inu, so only the latest changes, the last 60-minute changes of the Shiba Inu is negative. And except after 60-minute change, the previous last 1 day, last 1 week changes occurs in the Shiba Inu is positive ones. Completely Shiba Inu is in the pumping mood. Only the last 1 hour change is negative. But I hope, my friends, with the passage of time, these changes will become positive. So never lose hope, just hold, just hold, just hold. My friends, let me show you the price chart, and on the basis of technical analysis, we are going to predicate the Shiba Inu price of 2030. You can see, my friends, absolutely that is just last 2 hours update, but let me show you the last 6-month update of the Shiba Inu. That is the last 6-month update of the Shiba Inu. And absolutely from May. In May, the price taken a huge bump. And again, you can see the price dump, and now they are going in the straight line. So my friends, if these pump continue in the Shiba Inu, so soon the price of the Shiba Inu in 2030 will be 4 to 5 USD dollar. 4 to 5 USD dollar. The price of the Shiba Inu in 2030. If these kind of changes continue in the Shiba Inu. Anyways, what you think about Shiba Inu? Also share in the comment box. If you agree with me, kindly like this video and subscribe channel. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.